Maneva na say ma Pendream TV. Pendream TV there osia dem yopo.
Hello, mema akwaba edipa Pendream editorial so. Me pacho unya subscribe ya. Subscribe my like, comment na share video no na afofon senka. Me bell icon is to send ye be ya de betu su bia. Unsa be kan tempestuously na wenye bi etie hu de ekoso ewo ye man mu. Me komenim no ende de bro eye ensem a ekoso weekendi eye kwesiade ya etwemu eye former president John Dramani Mahama o ensem bi a okoko kan ye ewo eye press conference na se na me first story ni edi free eye Joy Online eho na me fa no ya to story ni din say and I said title that story ni so eye corruption fight. I have been exorcised from Father for All syndrome. Mahama pledges impartiality. Eno no trese eye former president John Dramani Mahama or see eye Father for All syndrome na nanka ewo ho ewo ni patrimu say oh Father for All no ono we ni hu afrim sese ya no baga wire, no mercy for the cripple, no mercy for the ananta what di bone no when say wo bone benya swaketua mame kan meto me boase na makan ane se na ebe ya wa wotie mi no betimi ate ase me wi a na masan bone tofa e wo twi mu na ye hina ayetimi enya ye ho nti ase. Former President John Dramani Mahama has declared his commitment to partially addressing corruption allegations if he returns to office. He asserted that he would not shield any culprits from investigation, including his own appointees. During a conference with journalists on Sunday, the NDC flag bearer emphasized that his approach to governance has evolved and he will no longer adopt a lenient stance when it comes to corrupt activities. That I was imbued the Father for All syndrome. It's been exorcised. And it's been exorcised because it is a demand by the people of Ghana. Patro exercise nature say, will say na ono or sa Father for All umbrella and asia we free mu ani inti exercise nature say we ni hu efri sa Father for All num ani. The people of Ghana are asking for accountability, and we must create a situation where everybody who agrees to serve must know that he will be held accountable to the people, he said. The former president also recounted efforts made during his administration to recover funds from state agencies. We retrieve monies from state agencies, so the track record is there, he asserted. He reflected on his previous tenure as president, citing the controversial GIDA no a Ghana Youth Employment and Entrepreneurial Development Agency, GIDA. He reflected on his previous tenure as president, citing the controversial GIDA report as evidence of his dedication to combating corruption. Some of the people involved in GIDA case went to court to restrain the Attorney General, and the court processes took forever. There were others where there was the prosecution of my own colleague and friend, Abu Gapeli. The Attorney General put him before courts and he was jailed. It was recently that President Akufo-Addo granted him amnesty, he added. So, the will to fight corruption was there, Mahama stated, highlighting the need for transparency and accountability in government. Earlier, he chastised the governing New Patriotic Party over what he described as an unprecedented level of corruption. According to him, the manner in which the Akufo-Addo-led administration runs the country leaves much to be desired. What we have now, obviously, never and should never be yardstick for governance. My goal is to launch a new fight against corruption, he said on Sunday. Mepa show yaboni hina tofa no de eye omanpanyin dada John Dramani Mahama parka hina ne se eye one ne papa Mahama ye ka ne se one ne papa Atamos penso no na ye ka se Atamos father for all oyeja emo bia nti wono oba ne gu na so a na wapepa because na ono na e friend asundwe hene and osisa din no ono sa nkrofo na no omodwen se oh enam se former president Atamos eka sa akasa nti no ekekiri ono John Dramani Mahama na ose hwe dia family so nti me fama brabo nto chacho nti no ono dia afa na ni so nti no onfa na membo ento chacha onfa ehumobro enkatakata nsemhu bi a nkrofo bi ebedi so sesi ano we hu nneoma bebre first no na oginem nti ebia no hu sesi e wegina ekire wegina mahwe na wasan egina ekire ahwe na we hu ne se daabi so oye father for all emboa nti no omo ate omo ho asese so no nyame ye na dom na so oba ebefa akonwa kese etena so a menye wadwen se we wia Ghana sika menye wadwen se corruption enframa ebon ho katahye ene project kankan dream ebon ho no Mahama beka se oh asemesi de oye madamfo bi adamfo anase asemesi de minim no o se de bi no mercy for the cripple hey and the way wabubu kura na embra na ene obedi enti no wa unim se wo ye corrupt anase corruption wo de apamatade ahye wa unim se we tutu corruption egu ukon ho ane ti se wo kodwabo kese ase no o se o ma wate ase se ono John Dramani Mahama de oba onsuso sansem hu no so wa embre ne ese fata se ede wo kodina court kese nim na ye prosecute no ono on hesitate obema ye de wako na ye di wasem finchin wudi bima ho son na emum se wudi for dia masa wobedim enti no untimi endoje untimi enswevi bebia embra no ekanwa na akan nti John Dramani Mahama na Sunday on insonhwe for enhyimu no oma omoti ase se memfa ma membo embeto chacha memfa ma membo embeye humobro memfa ma membo embeye andamfo ebusunya nyonko me na meyiwu he se wo ye mi minister mpo na meyiwu wo ye hwanya wo ye cabinet deben members edin mpo a se wo ye bibi ema me hu se katahye project dream ne kankan bon ho ko ade a masa mechewatum enti ne sisi ade wa ma obi hu se ne ba no oba no o medi agro ti anko yie ewo first no sisi oba besesa no sisi ano wesua nyansa bibi afa nani so ono ote ho no onye obi a ohu de anya obu nani guso first no nanka obu nani edugu nneoma bi so thinking say nka nipa besesa ba we hu se da bi oyesa mfofo ebeda no kwaye nti sisi ano wo hu wahwe wa tasty na we hu se da bi kwan pa obetimi afa so ne se wa hu beka edwa mu bia odo betum na mbra ne ni wadi ane enti no ama NPP camp ho no wo so asem no kan Sunday ya but who say ahopopo eche say asase wo so bi esi wo NPP camp ho because obia popo amanfo wa onim say you corrupt na ndi omoto ye boda asa akoko obeputukosua no because omunim say ye denya kanike say ye President John Dramani Mahama former we yi ne hu efi father for all mudia ende asem no atija na agi said ta isan say eye denya omo ho bekọ edwa mu nti wo so dindindindindindindindindi sisi eja da ho earthquake asase wo so kese pa ene ye President John Dramani Mahama Sunday ye on journalist for the meeting ye no omomiti ye no akoto NPP for akachi enti no dia ewo hono no or say corruption fight I have been exercised from Father for All syndrome. John Mahama pledges impartiality. Or say adi we are me mommy boo, we are me papa boo, we are wine. Corruption no my real task papa say me to ase. E san say we hu say eno e bomb minus nti ono onya ade a ne second coming we die odi be di agro. Hey, spade speed ani onka say can say at the fufuru bia ohu white or say white ohu black onka so we na say ni yedum black white white eno na promise President John Dramani Mahama ode ama Ghana for so mo nhwe nanim no mbaji o man no efefi Akufo-Addo amembo because ohu say Akufo-Addo amembo no obu ne de corruption no adokro mo se no koboa no corruption ayo mo te se omunya nti ono John Dramani Mahama be ye diwema de ame Akufo-Addo amembo no so oba ende obeye diwema ama omanom na de omo atwugu omo ye mu hina no omo etumi aye pie ane enti no de ewo hono no yes my joy online ho ene ye fa your story ni edi free ye Pendream editorial suni me pa show wunya and subscribe ya me subscribe button this my like comment na share video no na afofron senka me bell icon this one who den I say adom man ane from sub bosso te say yen kwara no dia na omode ye kren we dia omo amansa esi ho to the wa fa onsabo na wa ye announcement say na be ye de to so a usu benya be impartiously na woni ahwe abomo Pendream editorial macro
Dedi kama mamena Pendream TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, Pendream TV.